Good morning.
Did you just empty out your bag?
That's 100% what I did. I just thought, what do I have? What do I always travel with? Okay, so first of all, the new iPhone 17. This is, new to my roster, but I love it. I've got photos. I've got safety. There's an SOS satellite up in the air, so even if I'm not connected, I still have a way of contacting someone. That's with all of the Apple products now, which is fantastic. The new AirPods, and this is amazing, has live translation. What? So you put in the AirPods, and then on the Translate app on your phone, you put which language, so from French to English, and then someone talks to you, and it translates in real time.
So if I say to you, you visited Italy, and I go, buongiorno, Nat, come stai? It says, hello, Nat, how are you?
Yes.
As I say Italian, it translates you in English.
Yes.
You get it?
Right? Isn't it amazing?
What if you're saying it? Would it give a language back to you?
So what it does is
somebody else or yourself.
Someone else. Yeah. So then I replied back in English, and then it translates it to French for the person I'm having a conversation with. Whoa. If you both have these on, like you're talking.
We can each have one.
Yeah, well, no, if you both had your own pair, right? But isn't that amazing?
Technology.
Technology.
There would have been no chapters on Babylon if this was around back in the day.
This is the Tower of Babel. This would have solved
everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
looks really cool.
So this is a power bank. Again, we have all of these electronics. We have to keep them powered.
Can we just hold this up for the camera here, just so we can see?
Yeah,
look
so
at all
you've got your USB, all of the UB,
YMCA,
ABC,
you get it. We don't know what they're named.
PYT,
we just see it. We try each one and see if it works in there.
Yeah. Okay. So I've got a Bluetooth adapter as well. So you plug this into your screen back, your whatever on your airplane, plug it in, and it connects immediately to your wireless headphones. Okay. So you don't have to deal with a cord. You don't have to deal with having the right insert. All sorted.
Yeah. What's this?
Okay. So this. A lot of airplanes don't have the seat back. Speaking of the seat back screen, a lot of them don't have it anymore, and we'll just offer you.
I don't want to break it.
we just want to offer you, free Wi-Fi connection to their entertainment. So then you take this and you turn it. You clip this onto a tray.
Okay.
So you keep the tray up like this, and then you pop your phone in here.
That's great, and it's leveled up to your neck, so you don't get
so you don't have to do this the whole time.
Hold it the whole time.
Yeah, and then you feel great when you get off the plane at the end. Universal plug, you never know. And this also has, again, all of the different. I'm sorry, guys, I should know by now. This is just embarrassing.
This is hilarious coming from Tim, because we say not as we do. What do you have?
Okay.
Nat?
So I just discovered this as well. This is EQ Bank. It's a digital bank. And this card is no foreign exchange fees. That is huge, I've discovered. And within Canada, no ATM fees as well. And when you are traveling, it adds up so fast. So it's so nice to find a card and a bank that doesn't do that to you. So I found this, travel with this. Now this is my little bag of weaponry.
What is it?
So this is all this, I call this my safety bag. I have a doorstop, just especially if you're a woman traveling alone. Sometimes you just need a few of these extra things to make you feel safe. Yep. So even just a simple doorstop behind the hotel door. This is a door lock. It's a lot of hooking and pushing, but it's easier than it looks.
Like
what's the spray?
So this is the spray. Now, this is not legal everywhere.
Don't test it.
So we're not going to test it in here. No. So double check before you go.
When you're going across the border and you're going through customs and things, security, do they take it, or will they ask what it is?
No, because it's under 100 million. I'm kidding. It depends where you're going. Okay. Some countries it's illegal, some it's fine. And then we've got the alarm, and this is good. It goes on your keys. You just keep one finger in it. If you're ever in trouble, a light goes off. It makes a very loud noise, and that's always helpful just to get some attention.
That is important
Natalie
when traveling.
Exactly.
And now over here.
Yes. So finally, I always say when you're traveling, a crossbody bag is your best
Crossbody,
friend.
not the fanny pack around the waist?
It looks awesome, the fanny pack.
You feel
but
the
you
crossbody
feel
on
the
top.
crossbody
Put it
bag.
in front of you.
You have it on your person. You know exactly where all of your stuff is.
Yep.
And it's easy to grab. It's easy to keep things close. And then when traveling, I love to have these little sizes of just moisture. So I've got a little face mist here for the plane, lip balm, and some hand cream as well.
Just do not confuse the face mist with the
illegal mist. With the illegal mist.
Okay?
Yeah, and
make sure you're opening
exactly.
up the right
Make
bag.
sure you've got the right bag.
Pro tips, everybody. Stay safe. Thank you for your suggestions. Where do we get more information, Natalie?
As always, get lost with Natalie Preddie.
Get lost, everybody.
Get
Let's
lost.
test this baby out in the
Get
break,
lost.
shall we?
Say it friendly, get lost. We'll be back with more BT. We're going to get lost into a commercial break. Don't even pretend.